Welcome back, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we've got something I have to do. I have that big oak that fell across my driveway. I have it all cut up, and I have it on a hay wagon. And there's a lot that can go wrong. So I'm going to take you out there, and let's take a look at it. We got a little ways to go, so we'll catch up when we get out there. But let's see what can go wrong. See you out there in a few minutes. Here we are. So what could go wrong? Let's show you around here first. The first thing that could go wrong, I just realized I didn't grab a pin. I'm hoping there's something in here. So, let's see, what do we have in there? Oh, we have some toilet paper. I don't see a pen, but I have a ratchet. Oh yeah, that'll go right in there. Perfect. So what else could go wrong? Those tires aren't the best looking tires. That one's a little low. I brought a bottle of air. This one was a little flat, so I'm gonna, that's a little low. Hope I have enough air. That one looks pretty good. There's a lot that can go wrong. Is that even... These could fall off. Some of these logs could fall off. They could roll off. This hay wagon, is it even attached? I don't know if the hay wagon... I think the top of the hay wagon is just sitting on running gear. I'm not even sure. My other hay wagon has chain around the main beam. The main beam's two in front and two in back, so it can't tip off. So we have a little grade on this road in a few spots, and when I go around the corner, it could do that. Hopefully not. Yeah, this platform, I don't believe is attached to the running gear. I think it's just sitting up there. It's boxed in. They have it boxed in. This is probably 75-year-old hay wagon or older. I brought some straps, so we're going to strap this down the best we can and see what can happen. Let's get the tongue on. Wow, I hit it the first time. Let's top some air off. So if you recall, I hold my If you recall, I hauled my deer blind. I hauled my deer blind on this hay wagon, and it was 8 by 16. Actually, it's 8 by 18. It was pretty heavy, and I got her here. Okay, I'm gonna go put a little more in this back one too. So another thing could go wrong. This tire was completely flat. This is the third bottle of air I've brought out here, and I put 2 in here so far. So we'll go until that's done bleeding out. Okay. All right, I don't have much room on the tractor, so we'll throw this right up here. I do not have a lot of room through my gate, so I'm going to nip these off into manageable sizes and throw them back up there. So let's get this guy off.
I'm using the wildbadger electric chainsaw. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get one.
Maybe right here. Okay. Well, since I'm bringing those home, all right, don't need this on the tractor. Find some spots for these. Full disclosure, I've not used this hay wagon too often, so I don't know how well it really even pulls. I'm not versed on it. Oop, that didn't go over. Excellent. Oh! Ooh, nice little log. Okay, guys, let me show you what we've got. 2 straps. Yeah, it wouldn't prevent it all from falling off, but those are kind of locked in. They're pretty good, like a little Jenga game. They're locked in. Now these, they might end up on the highway, Basswood, a road or 2-track. These should all be pretty good. Yeah, I think we're good. So let's see if we can get through the gate. I'm just going to take my time getting home, and hopefully we don't lose anything.
Here's a couple logs that are left that I couldn't pick up with the tractor, so I'll bring the log arch to pick them up.
So I want to check the tires now. I'm on a flat surface here, a good surface, no grass. Let's check these tires. Those look good. Check the other side real quick. That looks good. That one's a little squishy, but there's a lot of weight up there. So let's get this home. Next, I'm going to downshift, get into first gear. I'm going to go slow here just so things don't happen too fast to me. Okay, no cars. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Nice wide turn. Okay. Everything stayed on. I'm very happy. Everything stayed on. It's not what I expected. It's probably not what you expected. I really, we talked about what could go wrong. I really expected something to go wrong the way my luck goes. So I parked it here. This is all firewood. So I'll cut this stuff up. I'm not going to show you unloading all this stuff. But now I'm happy that this hay wagon has proven itself. That was a lot of weight. There's a lot of lumber up there. Not lumber, firewood up here. And it seemed to carry it no problem. Maybe a set of tires would be nice. We have a tire change machine, so that does help out. Tire change machine and a balancer. So I'll look for some used junky tires. Used decent tires, I should say, not junky. I am done with this job today, guys. Nothing unexpected. I forgot a pin. Happened to have a ratchet in that box, so that worked out. The wildbadger did well. I only had a few cuts. But I'm going to get this untied, and we'll see you out here next time. Take care, guys.